12th of November. The Parrot. Translated by William Cowper. In painted plumes superbly dressed, a native of the gorgeous East, by many a billow tossed, Paul gains at length the British shore, part of the captain's precious store, a present to his toast. Belinda's maids are soon preferred, to teach him now then a word, as Paul can master it; but 'tis her own important charge to qualify him more at large, and make him quite a wit. "Sweet Paul!" his doting mistress cries, "Sweet Paul!" the mimic bird replies, and calls aloud for sack. She next instructs him in the kiss, 'Tis now a little one, like miss, and now a hearty smack. At first he aims at what he hears, and, listening close with both his ears, just catches at the sound, but soon articulates aloud, much to the amusement of the crowd, and stuns the neighbors round. A querulous old woman's voice His humorous talent next employs; He scolds and gives the lie, And now he sings, and now is sick. "Here, Sally, Susan, come, come quick! Poor Poll is like to die." Belinda and her bird, 'tis rare To meet with such a well matched pair, The language and the tone, Each character in every part Sustained with so much grace and art, And both in unison. When children first begin to spell, And stammer out a syllable, We think them tedious creatures; But difficulties soon abate, When birds are to be taught to prate, And women are the teachers. Vincent, Bourne, 1695 1747.